Good morning dear students. Welcome back all of you to the physics online class, Royal Palace PU College Jamkandi. See, in the previous video we completed the theory concept of the chapter magnetism and the matter, right? And there we studied all the hysteresis point and what is a hysteresis loop and what is a retentivity and the coercivity and the hysteresis plane or the loop, and what are permanent magnets, what are the electromagnets and the example and where they are used, right? And today let us talk about the numerical. Already in between one video I solved the 2-3 numericals of the NCERT. Okay, then let us solve 3 more numericals today. So in this, that is related to the NCERT. Okay, and already one of the numerical related we solved in one video. And see dear students, on this chapter mainly they are focusing on the theory part only. Maximum theory question only will come here or there. So for your competitive and for a 2 marks, sometime there may be a chance to get the numerical. So let us solve that numerical. Then the first numerical is in the NCERT textbook, that is 5.3. What the question? A short bar magnet with its axis at 30 degree with a uniform external magnetic field of 0.25 Tesla experiences a torque of magnitude equal to 4.5 into 10 raised to minus 12. So that is a Newton meter. The torque should be Newton meter. What is the magnitude of the magnetic moment of the magnet? The question is, I think here let us draw the, whenever the numerical part is given, see dear student, you should read at least twice. So here what is the concept? A short bar magnet is there, so which made an angle of 30 degree with a uniform external magnetic field. That field is 0.25 Tesla and it experiencing a torque of magnitude 4.5, that is tau value is given into 10 raised to minus 2 Newton meter. Now the question is, what is the magnetic moment? The small m you need to calculate. Then if you know the diagram, that is also will help you to find the result. It is a uniform magnetic field. This is the uniform magnetic field, and there is one small bar magnet which is made an angle of, that is theta is equal to 30. I will write here that only given data, that is theta is 30 degree with the uniform magnetic field, that means B is equal to, they have given 0.25 Tesla, right? And it experiencing a torque tau is equal to, that is 4.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 Newton meter. Now what is the question? We need to calculate what is the magnetic moment of the given bar magnet. Then which formula is suitable to find the m value here? The formula is the torque experienced by the bar magnet kept in the uniform magnetic field, that is tau is equal to mv sin theta. What is the formula? Using torque experienced by bar magnet, that is tau is equal to mb sin theta. Then here we need to calculate what is the m, that is why m is equal to torque upon b sin theta, that is torque upon b sin theta. Then substitute the data. Torque is 4.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 upon b is the 0.25 Tesla into sine of 30. When you simplify this, and you will get the answer of that is m is equal to 0.36 joules per Tesla or ampere meter square. Both are same only. What will be your answer? The magnetic moment m is equal to 0.36 joules per Tesla. This is the answer. Am I clear? Direct formula we can use. Okay? Yes. Coming to the second numerical, that is 5.4 in the NCERT textbook. A short bar magnet of magnetic moment m is equal to 0.32 joules per Tesla is placed in a uniform magnetic field of 0.15 Tesla. If the bar is free to rotate in the plane of the field, if the bar is free to rotate in the plane of the field, which orientation would correspond to its stable and unstable equilibrium? Which orientation would correspond to its stable and the unstable equilibrium? What is the potential energy of the magnet in each case? I hope question is clear. Again, there is one short bar magnet which is having a magnetic moment, and so where the magnetic field, the strength of that, the magnitude of the field is given. Okay, and that bar is free to rotate from stable state to the stable position to the unstable position. Now their question is, what is the potential energy of the magnet in each case? We need to calculate. See, when the bar is stable, then the m and b are parallel to each other. When the bar is stable, right, during that the m and b, the magnetic moment m and the magnetic field b, both are parallel to each other. So during this condition, I can find the solution for this, that is what is the potential energy we need to calculate here. Okay, then generally the potential energy of bar magnet is given by U is equal to mb cos of theta 1 minus cos of theta 2. We have this formula. In the case 1, what happens? Case 1, in stable equilibrium, m and b are parallel. They are parallel. ಇವೆರಡೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ, ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಗಳು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿ ದಿ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟೇಕನ್ ಆಸ್ minus mb. Okay, so then u is equal to minus m means given data we need to write m is equal to what? That is 0.32 joules per Tesla, and they have given the b value also, that is b is equal to how much? 0.15 Tesla. Okay, use that two values in the formula, that is 0.32 into 0.15. Then if you simplify this, I hope you will get the answer minus 4.8 into 10 raised to minus 2 joules. 10 raised to minus 2 joule. This is a what? The potential energy of the bar magnet when the magnetic moment m and the field b are parallel and the bar magnet is in the stable equilibrium state. Coming to the second case, if the bar magnet is unstable, in unstable equilibrium, unstable equilibrium. So in that M and B are anti-parallel. M and B are anti-parallel. Anti-parallel. So then what happens here? If both are anti-parallel, then my formula becomes that is U is equal to MB only. Then this is equal to, because angle will change here, theta 1 and theta 2 angles will be changing, right? Then this is equal to, again same data you can substitute, 0.32 into 0.15, then it is nothing but 4.8 into 10 raised to minus 2 Tesla. This is our answer. This is the answer. Is that clear? Okay? Yes. So this is the numerical for that is 5.4 in your NCERT. Which orientation corresponds to its stable and unstable equilibrium. In the stable means the first condition, unstable is the second condition. Am I clear? Yes. And let us move to the another numerical of the NCERT 5.5. What it is related? This numerical is related to the solenoid. Solenoid means its magnetic moment. The magnetic moment of this solenoid can be given as M is equal to N into I into A. This formula you should remember. Where you got this formula? While deriving the expression for the bar magnet is an equivalent to the solenoid. There we studied this. Okay, yes. Coming to the question, a closely owned solenoid of 800 turns and area of cross section 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter square carries a current of 3 ampere. That carrying a current of 3 ampere. Explain the sense in which the solenoid acts like a bar magnet. Explain the sense in which the solenoid acts like a bar magnet. What is its associated magnetic moment? What is its associated magnetic moment? Then first we need to calculate the magnetic moment value of this solenoid. Then we give the direction in which sense that bar magnet is acting. Okay. So then let us take the solution. In the solution, the given data take the number of turns wounded on the solenoid, that is N equal to 100, and the area of the cross section of the solenoid is given, that is 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter square, right? And next the current flowing through this solenoid, that is 3 ampere. Now the question is to find what is the magnetic moment of this solenoid, right? Then I shall write here the magnetic moment of solenoid is M is equal to NIA. This is the formula. Remember this. This will help, and this you are using in the next chapter also, in the case of study of this solenoid and the toroid. Okay. Then M is equal to, N is already given 800, and I is the current, that is 3 ampere, and A is the area of cross section 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 4. Then if you simplify, multiply the quantities and simplify the terms, means you will get M is equal to 0.60 joules per Tesla. Then this is M value got positive, that is why the bar magnet acts along the axis axis of solenoid. In which direction that may give the sense in which direction? Along the axis of the solenoid that can sense. Okay, so this is the what? The numericals of the NCERT for the chapter 5. Okay, further another 2-3 are there, so we solve in the next video, right? So understand the steps and remember, dear students, I am repeating again, whenever you are going to solve the numerical, definitely you should be perfect in your formulae. Without the formulae, without that concept study, you cannot solve that numerical perfectly. Okay, so go through with all the formula which is given already in the theoretical part. Okay, thank you for watching the video. See you the next class. Thank you.